Alright guys, it's been a very long time since I drove this car. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2023 G80 M3. As you guys can tell, it's been sitting for a bit. So it's been snowing here in New York, so before the snowstorm started, I put the car underneath the car cover. As you guys can tell, it snowed a good amount, and then it stopped, and then it snowed again. So this car hasn't moved for like 2 weeks now, but I gotta get some heat in the engine. I don't want this thing to like stay and just like for things to, you know, we gotta keep it moving. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, I have a few other cars. I have a BMW 330i, which I had pretty heavily modified. And then my other car is this right over here. This is a 2021 BMW X5 40i. This has been the family car. This thing does amazing in the snow, just still all over the place. And I've really enjoyed this car. We actually have some plans for it. Nothing too crazy, but I do want to do some stuff to it. This car, honestly, the way that it is, with the white, the gloss black wheels, which look almost brown because of all the salt and all that, and then even the red brake calipers, like this car is already set up pretty nicely the way that it is. And then the really cool thing is it has air suspension, so you can actually lower this thing. So sometimes I'll literally lower it before I get out of the car, and the stance looks so freaking good. But you know, I do need to do a few other things, like maybe wheel spacers, maybe like a little body kit. That's it for that car. Now the G80 M3, I do have plans for it. I actually already have some mods waiting for it. Ones that I've kind of already talked about before, but I just haven't gotten the chance to do them because, again guys, all this snow, which I actually have to clean off the car before I even take it for a drive. Look at that. I should have just done this from the get-go. There it is. All right, in the meantime, I'm gonna fire this thing up. By the way, if you guys ever want a nice cold start on your G80 or G82 M4, what you have to do is put the car into accessory mode. Then you have to put it into one of the M modes. Maybe we'll just do M1. At that point, you can fire it up because the valves will be open. So check this out. Yeah, doesn't sound great, but it sounds better with the valves open. And now I don't want to give too much away, but I will tell you guys this. One of the mods that I have waiting for this car is an exhaust system, and it's almost like a two-part thing. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. I would love to install it today, but unfortunately with the snow, that's just not really possible. So for those of you who don't know, this is again a 2023 G80 M3 Competition X Drive. It is black sapphire metallic, and on the inside, this is definitely my favorite part of the car. It has the ivory white interior with the carbon buckets. Now I will say this gets dirty pretty quickly. I do have to clean especially the driver's seat, but we'll deal with that another day. But otherwise guys, I've done a decent amount of work to this car. A lot of carbon. Shout out to Keys Motorsports. If you guys want any of this stuff, links down in the description below. Did some other minor stuff like yellow DRLs. In terms of the engine bay, I don't really have much, but I do have, again, a Keys carbon strut brace, as well as the MST intakes, which sound really good. I think that combined with my future exhaust setup is gonna make this car sound so much better. But again, guys, I haven't gotten the chance to install that stuff because, well, one, the weather, and then two, just like, you know, life gets in the way. I'm a married guy with kids. It's hard to dedicate like a full day just to work on my cars. And that kind of brings me into the topic of today's video, which is not a topic I ever really wanted to discuss, at least not anytime soon. By the way, I'm like struggling to open up this gate because of the snow. Good enough. I think I probably just broke the gate. But yeah, anyways guys, I've been struggling a little bit with YouTube, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about that and the future plans, because currently, the way that things have been going, I can't keep up with YouTube. It's just too much. It's too much work. I have a full-time career. I have a wife. I have 2 kids now. I have rental properties that I manage. So to do YouTube is a lot. So again, we'll go into all of that. But in the meantime, I want to drive this thing, which I can't do right now because look at this. That stupid gate went and closed on me again. Terrific. So something I gotta say is, ever since going back to driving this car more occasionally, because if you guys don't know, I used to drive this car like pretty rarely, and then I went down to 2 cars, so I started daily driving this car, but now I'm back up to 3 cars, so I don't really have to drive it as often. I drive the 330 maybe like 70% of the time because I drive to work. And then the X5 I drive maybe like 30% of the time when I'm doing something with the family or like on the weekends or something like that. And then this G80 M3, I really only drive it for like more occasional, like making videos, going for drives with friends, which is, in my opinion, the best way to do it if you can do it. Because this might sound weird, but I enjoy the car way more doing that, because right now getting inside this car feels like an experience. Again, the ivory interior, the new like iDrive 8 or whatever it's called, it all feels really nice and special, because typically I'm driving the 330, which feels a little more basic. By the way, look at that X5 right there. I like it. I really like the X5s. Anyways, back to the M3. So I know that might sound funny to a lot of you guys, because I'm sure I was one of those guys at some point, but you're probably thinking that if I had a G80 M3, I would just drive it every single day, and that's fine. I mean, there's obviously a lot of other implications that come with it, like bad gas mileage, depreciation on the car, all that type of stuff, but the car starts to feel a lot less special, and you kind of get used to it, and you don't appreciate it as much. Whereas like right now, I really appreciate this car. Again, getting into it feels like an experience. I'm so used to the 330, which is slow, which is a little more basic. So when I get into this car and I feel the power, it really reminds you just how fast it is. And you know, like right now, I don't feel the need to tune this car. Like to me, it's plenty fast. But we will tune it, we will get there, guys, but just not right now. There's so many things I want to do to this car and so many things I want to do with this channel, but I'm finding it more and more difficult. If you guys remember when I had the 330, I modded it so much. I basically spent every single weekend working on that car, doing stuff to that car, and it was fun, it was a blast. But it's harder to do that these days because my life has just gotten a lot more complicated. YouTube does not pay enough for me to justify spending that much time on it. And honestly, it's very easy to burn out. Not the fun one, the more depressing one, where you just feel exhausted and you feel overwhelmed. Now, I'm not saying I feel exhausted and overwhelmed because, you know, I don't, but I'm saying, look at this guy. Come on, man, you're blocking my way. Can you guys even see? That UPS truck was blocking the way. Anyways, I don't feel exhausted and overwhelmed with YouTube. It's just sometimes it's hard to keep up with what I was doing at some points, which was like heavily modifying the cars, because again, two things, it takes up a lot of time, and then the other thing is the cost. The 330 was a lot cheaper to modify. This M3, it's tough. You want to modify this thing, it gets very expensive. Now, I'm very grateful that I have people like Keys Motorsports, Burger Tuning, some other companies that are willing to help me out with this car. But even with that, it's still not enough to constantly make content about modifying this car. It's just, again, it's just not sustainable. It's not realistic. So I kind of been thinking, and I've been talking to my friends, and I think I have a solution. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be like definitively all my videos from now on, because I still am going to be modifying my cars just within the limits that I want to do, and I am still going to be doing, you know, other things like going to car shows and talking about certain things that I think are at the forefront of my mind when it comes to cars and BMWs, but in general, I'm gonna be switching to like a vloggy type of content. So if you guys haven't noticed, in some of my more recent uploads, I started doing that. All right, let me hop out of the car real quick so I can talk to you guys. So anyways, like I was saying, in some of my more recent videos, I literally just started hanging out with friends and filming whatever it is that we're up to. Again, more of like a vlog style, not really focusing on a specific mod or anything like that. Just hanging out with friends. We can just take our cool cars out, like of course the G80 M3, and just enjoy them and just film it along the way. Now, I will always keep the channel about the cars. It's not gonna be about lifestyle. It'll always be about my G80, about any other cars that I get in the future, but it's gonna be more relaxed and more casual, which basically means for me is more sustainable, because again, when I put too much pressure on these videos, it becomes a lot more stressful and it becomes a lot harder to do. But if we kind of just step it back a little bit, it's a lot more sustainable, and it's just easier for me to push out more videos, hopefully push out more entertaining videos. I mean, you guys let me know. Watch some of those more recent videos, like the one where it was titled something about a clapped out 435, and the one where we drove to the city. Those videos had like no specific goal in mind. We just went and we hung out. Let me know if you guys find those videos entertaining, because if you do, that's the type of content that I want to keep on doing. Again, we are still going to be modifying these cars. Like I said before, we have some exhaust stuff. I have plans for the X5, so we're still always going to be doing that type of stuff. But I want to implement a lot more just vlog style, because that way I can upload 2, maybe even 3 times a week, as opposed to maybe like once or twice a month. But anyways, with that said, let's go back inside the M3. I feel like the car should be warm enough at this point that we can maybe push it a little bit, because that's the fun stuff. I miss driving this car. I gotta get all the guys together again, and maybe we can do a little drive. But I do want to do the exhaust first, because this car sounds too quiet. Everyone else's car sounds so much louder and exciting than mine. But even in stock form, man, this thing, it's fun. Let's push it a little bit here. Yeah, this thing is fun. Man, I love driving this car. Like, you can't beat it. Like, I mean, you can, but that's not the point. These cars are so amazing, man. Like, this is like a supercar in a sedan. Like, I just want to like go out for drives and enjoy the car. Enjoy it with friends. Go for a drive. I think that's what we're gonna do next. Hopefully, if not the next video, maybe the one after, we'll get all the guys together, do like a little car meet, and then we'll go for a little drive, because, yeah, these cars are meant to be driven. But anyways, guys, hopefully you understand where I'm coming from. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, because they really do matter to me, and I do read all the comments. So please let me know. Don't worry, I'm not giving up on YouTube yet. Maybe you want me to give up on YouTube. In that case, I'm sorry, I'm not. But we're just gonna be changing some things up, making it a little more sustainable, maybe a little more fun. Who knows? We'll find out. We'll test the waters and we'll see how it goes. But anyways, with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please drop it a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.